Today I'll teach you guys how we guys can fix our WhatsApp message not sending problem. So in this case, what you need to do is first you need to go inside your iPhone setting. Once you're inside your setting, scroll a bit down and click on this option called General. From General, you want to go and access iPhone storage. And from inside iPhone storage, you want to find WhatsApp. So make it load a bit for some time, and once it's complete, just try to search for WhatsApp by scrolling down. And once you see WhatsApp, just click on WhatsApp. And over here, click on Offload App and click on Offload App. What this is going to do is this is going to clear all the cache of WhatsApp. Now once you do that, click on Reinstall App and your WhatsApp will start to reinstall again. And once the reinstallation of WhatsApp is complete, open your WhatsApp and try to send message. It should work. If it did not work, then the second thing you can do is check your internet. Because if your internet is slow or is not working properly, then it is also going to cause this problem. So make sure to check if your internet is fast or not. For that, you can just go on YouTube and watch a video. If the video lags, then basically your internet is too slow. So that's how we guys can check it. And if your internet is not the problem and you just offloaded your app and your problem is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just hold on your WhatsApp icon, click on Remove App and click on Delete App. And click on Delete again and your WhatsApp will be deleted. Once your WhatsApp is deleted, you want to go on App Store and search for WhatsApp. Once you search for WhatsApp, you want to click on the cloud icon right beside the WhatsApp icon because we want to re-download WhatsApp again. So click on the cloud icon and our WhatsApp will start to re-download. Once the WhatsApp is downloaded again, just log in into your WhatsApp and try to send message. Your problem should be fixed. And you can also do this. You can just go to your browser and search for this. Is WhatsApp down? Down detector. Click on the first option, down detector, and it's showing user reports indicate possible problem at WhatsApp, which means like it's saying that a lot of people are saying that there's a problem in WhatsApp, which means WhatsApp servers are down. So you just have to wait for 2 or 3 hours. And once WhatsApp fixes their problem, you should be able to send your message again using WhatsApp. So that's how we guys can fix WhatsApp message not sending and receiving problem. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.